This is a Curator's Choice 2-scoop order for Safiya from her Uncle Adrian and Auntie Kat. Two notebooks, plus two more, four pens, plus three more, two mechanical pencils, one eraser. This style has two refills, plus two more, one washi tape, two mini notebooks, plus two more, one clear pouch, let's add this cute little one, three memo pads, plus two more, one sticky note, plus three more. I love the soft colors on these. Two stickers. This is a DIY pendant style. Let's add three more. One scenery sticker, plus two more, one beaded charm, let's add this cute little Miffy charm, one plush pencil bag, one pencil case. This style has a lot of compartments. One mouse pad. I love this Miko one, so cute. One card holder. One scrunchie, one claw clip, let's add this cute one, one hair clip, plus one more, one headband. This My Melody Lolita style is so cute. And let's add this one. One comb. Three plush charms. 2 mini charms, plus 1 more, 3 pin badges, plus 2 more, 1 bracelet, 2 Taba squishies, plus 1 more, 1 Uno cards, 5 acrylic clips. Let's make it 8. Okay, Safiya, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.